Gold is showing bearish divergence, striking fear in the market. Today's big red candle on June 7th suggests buyers are exhausted. Is gold's run ending? For chart overview, the 50-day SMA is at 2,352.5. The 100-day SMA is at 2,218.3. Support is at 2,286 and resistance is at 2,400 to 2,500. The RSI is currently at 49.59, showing a neutral market condition. Bearish divergence as the price made higher highs, but the RSI made lower highs. For trade opportunities, for bulls, entry at support of the 50-day SMA and 2,286. Target 2,400 and stop loss below 2,270. For bearish, entry at break below a 50-day SMA and 2,286 support. Target 100-day SMA at 2,218 and stop loss above 2,300. Stay cautious and as always, trade wisely.